Welcome back. In today's tutorial, we are going to dive into one of the most fundamental and versatile Excel functions, the if functions. The if functions in Excel is incredibly powerful and allows you to perform logical tests on your data. It's often used to create conditional statement that automate process in your spreadsheets. Okay, the sentence for the if functions is simple. So if I use here and write here the sentence or the type here the if functions, then the first one is the logical test. So this is the condition you want to check. Then the next one is the if true is the result if the condition is met. Okay, the next one it say the below it false, so is the result if the condition is not met. Let's see the basic example to understand how this work. And say we have the data set with the names, areas and sales report, and according to the sales report we want to find out here the bonus and if they are eligible for the amount, so they will get the bonus. And for this I am using the if functions right here, the if. Then the first argument is say the logic. Let me select this one, the logic. If it is greater than, or I will say the equal, say the 70 or 70,000. Then the next argument we want to move the value if true. So what message you want to show up, and I want to show up like the get bonus, this one. Then if the argument is not with the like the not greater than 70,000, what the result will come? So it will come up not get result. I just say this is kind of the example. You can use the another one, close it, then hit on the OK. So according to our logic and with the if functions, this is the greater than 70. For this result he gets the bonus. Then next one, if I just drag it down, and here you can now see here according to our rules this is not greater than the 70,000. For this you say that not get the bonus. So with the if functions you can easily stand out and get the result with the logical function. So you have now mastered the if function in Excel. It's a versatile tool that can help you automate process, make data driving decision and create more intelligent spreadsheet. So in our next tutorial we will dive into more advanced Excel functions and techniques. Thanks for your watching.